Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive deep into Hotpad app review to help you decide if this app actually worth it. So to get started, Hotpad is a US-based rental search app owned by Zillow, designed to help users find apartment, house, and townhomes through an interactive map interface. It offers a user-friendly experience with a feature like advanced filter, real-time alert, and direct messaging with a landlord and all of that. The app is free to use and integrate with a Zillow rental management, which allow landlords to manage listing, application, payment across all Zillow and Trulia together with Hotpad platform. The strength of Hotpad includes its intuitive interface, comprehensive search filters, and extensive rental listing, particularly in urban areas. User appreciates the ability to set up alerts for new listing that match their criteria and the convenience of messaging rental application and payment online. However, there are weaknesses to consider. Hotpad may be less effective in less populated areas, and some users have reported encounters scams on the platform. Additionally, while the app offers a range of features, it lacks some advanced listing management and performance tracking tools that other platforms provide.